Afternoon, we have Alyansa ng para sa Bagong Pilipinas Campaign Manager na Votas Congressman Toby Tiangco. Good afternoon, Congressman Tiangco.
Yes, good afternoon.
Thank you for joining
Hi,
us.
Congressman.
Yes,
Congratulations, ha?
Long time no see.
Nakabawi na ba kayo tulog?
Hindi pa masyado. Nagbabawi pa lang. Dami pang trabahong yun.
Well, it's double-sided, no? It's both congratulations for winning your re-election.
Siya, personal
Oo,
congratulations.
And also commiserations sa outcome ng Alyansa slate. So, let's start with that. Ano po yung assessment nyo? What happened? What went wrong there? And what you think you could have done differently?
Okay, number one, syempre, this is the reason why I've been avoiding interviews during the campaign. Now, if you notice, I never granted interviews during the campaign because there are questions that I wouldn't have been able to answer. May mga tanong na talagang hindi ko kayang sagutin noong kampanya dahil makakasama doon sa aming kampanya. Isa sa mga yon is yung talagang nagsimula yung problema namin nung nag-file ng impeachment case ang House of Representatives against kay VP Sara. Because yung October surveys namin, 9 na alyansa ang pasok sa buong Mindanao. Pagdating nung survey namin after the impeachment, before the incident of bringing the former president to Hague, 4 na lang. So just because of the impeachment, 4 na lang yung natirang alyansa candidates doon sa Mindanao. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, early on, binawasan ko yung rallies doon sa Mindanao. Kasi wala rin mangyayari sa amin doon eh. Pupunta kami doon, hindi rin naman namin makukumbinsi yung mga tao. Why would we spend time there, no? And I'm saying this because yung impeachment was self-inflicted. Ibig sabihin, yun total control kami. Pero tinuloy namin, for what? For nothing. Diba? Nag-file ng impeachment complaint February 5. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nasisimulan. Pinigilan ko sila noon. Ayaw nilang makinig. Sinabi ko, maapektuhan yung mga senador natin. Ayaw nilang makinig. So, yan ang nangyari.
Sir, clarify ko lang, when you say pinigilan mo sila, sino pa yung tinutukoy natin?
Sinabi ko doon sa House na anong stand ko doon sa impeachment. Una, sinabi ko, bakit nyo ginagawa yan? Last day of session. Okay? Last day of session. June 2 pa magpaadidinggin ng Senado yan. Magiging issue yan sa election. So, kaya hindi ako pumirma. Tinuloy nila. O de,